In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the tax document from your Schwab account. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open a browser. I'm using Safari browser, and then we have to access this URL schwab.com. Once we are there, then we'll find on login options like login ID and password, or from here you can also click here. Here we need to type our username and password, and once we type the username and password, we have to click the login button. Once we logged in our account, we'll see this type of user interface where on the top we'll see different menus are there. To download the tax information, we have to click accounts. Once we click accounts, then we'll find different options are there. From here we have to choose this option, statements and tax forms. We just need to click here, and very shortly it will be opened like this. Now from this page we have to choose the account which you want to download the tax document. Here we will find statement and tax form. Under there we'll see the list of account. If we click here, it will bring this type of options. We have to choose the account which you want to download the tax information or tax document. I'm going to click this on, and it will be selected. Now we have to scroll almost at the end. Here we'll find statement and documents are there, and there are different options are there. From here we have to choose a date range. From here I'm going to choose current year, so it will show us only the current year tax document. If we choose other like other thing, then it will show the other documents. And now here it is showing statements and tax forms. We can uncheck this because we only need tax form. And here I see all the text documents are there, and here I see 1099 composite and year-end summary 2025. And if we click here, the PDF, it will start downloading.